Recording. Start with the prayer, Kanani.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin.
Um, Yesterday we started this lesson, lesson number 10, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Um, Girls, yesterday we started lesson number 10, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
yes, yes,
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, Ilma, tell me that what is this story based on?
this story based on friend.
But what about friends? I explained you yesterday that what you are going to learn in this story.
Yes,
So, what do you remember from that? Hello, Ilma. We do not have
yes.
so much time.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Yes, Asar Zainab. Okay. So, hopeless people you all are, because we cannot keep any hope from you people. So, yesterday we started this story, A Friend in Need, in which we have completed first two paragraphs, by which we came to know that Swaminathan, Rajam, and Mani. These are the three characters. Few more characters are there in the story because this story is based on the life of friends. How do they fight? How do they play? How do they patch up after fighting and talk with each other? And these all things are going to be there in this story. So, from the first paragraph, we came to know that Swaminathan and Mani were walking towards the Rajam's house because Rajam told them before 3 weeks that after 3 weeks, in this time in the afternoon, if you will come to my house, I will give you certain surprise or gift. So Swaminathan and Mani were walking and walking and walking towards the Rajam's house, towards the Rajam's house because Rajam was about to give them some kind of surprise. So Swaminathan and Mani both were discussing that what could be the surprise Rajam is talking about. So let's see what will happen now, how far story goes and in which direction does it turns and what is the surprise which Rajam is going to give to Swaminatham and Mani. So who will read it from this paragraph?
Sir, can I read Ilma?
Yes, Ilma.
Yes. Think Said Swaminathan Rajam is
Merely,
merely joking,
merely.
merely joking. It is merely to try to get us to his house. very nearly pushed into a gutter for his dot.
This is gutter
Gutter,
and
gut,
doubt.
gutter for his dot.
Doubt.
Doubt. Prob-
Mute your mic. Who else wants to read?
Sir, can I be Nazir?
Yes.
Think, said Swaminathan. Rajan is merely joking. It is
You have to
it
read
is
from here, no?
nobly he has
What is
bought
this?
a monkey or something.
Okay, what is
Swaminathan,
this?
yes,
What is the first word you read? You people don't even stop when you read the incorrect word, wrong word. Hmm? Can you not ask me that, sir, what is this? Or will you read the wrong thing? And shall I remove you from the group? Probably.
probab- probably he has bought a monkey or something. Swaminathan, sir, what is this?
Ventured.
Ventured again. Vani was gracious enough to admit that it thought be so.
It?
They thought they thought of
What
all
is this?
possible.
What is this? I'm not moving my cursor. See, this is my cursor. And only when I move like this, you read. Now my cursor has stopped here. So what is this word? Read the spelling.
Sir, it's not.
Can I understand what you are speaking? Sir, it's not. Sir, it's not. But
Sir,
what?
it's not properly. The camera. I cannot see.
It is?
Camera is not proper, so I cannot see.
Camera is not proper. Oh
Yes.
God. Your mobile is not proper. Rotate your mobile. Rotate means what?
Yes, sir.
You people are attending the classes for the first time or what? See, your mobile is like this, okay?
Yes.
You have to rotate it like this.
Yes, sir.
Please mute your mic, everyone. I will only read. You all are not capable enough to read. So in this class, no reading now. I think, said Swaminathan, Rajam is merely joking. It is merely a trick to get us to his house. Now, Swaminathan said that I don't think any gift or any present or surprise will be there. I think that Rajam is fully joking on us. Rajam just wants to call us in his house. That is why he said that one surprise is there. You people come here. So he was very nearly pushed into a gutter for this doubt. So he was really, you know, he was not as excited as he was before because he was having this doubt and he knew that something wrong is there. No surprise is going to be there. Probably he has bought a monkey or something. Swaminathan ventured again. So Swaminathan again spoke something. Swaminathan said that I think he has taken new monkey or some other kind of animal. Mani, Mani was gracious enough to admit that it might be so. And Mani said that yes, what you are saying may be right. What he is doing with us is a joke. They thought of all the possible subjects that might surprise them and gave up the attempt in the end. So they were discussing likewise. New ideas came in the mind of Mani and Swaminathan. Swaminathan said he would have bought monkey or this and that. Again, on that side, Mani said that yes, he might be joking, he might want us in their house, and both were discussing with each other. So at the end, they were not able to exactly think why Rajam is calling them in the house. Their thoughts turned to their enemies. You know what I am going to do? Now their thoughts turned to their enemies. Their thoughts, their ideas, what they were thinking, turned towards their enemies. Now, what do you mean by enemy? Can anyone tell me? What do you mean by enemies?
So can I say Rabia?
Yes,
Dushman.
Dushman. Yes, Dushman. That means the person who is not at all friendly to you, opposite of friend. So their ideas turn towards the enemies. Now you know that in your childhood you are having the friends also and enemies also with whom you do not talk at all, with whom you fight a lot. You know what I am going to do? Mani asked. I am going to break Somu's waist. I know where he lives. So now first Mani said that, do you know what I am going to do? Mani said to Mani said to whom?
Swaminathan.
Yes, because Mani and Swaminathan both were talking to each other. So Mani said to Swaminathan that Swaminathan, do you know what I am going to do? I am going to break the Somo's waist. Waist means the side part of the belly. So I'm going to break Somo's waist. So they started talking about other subject, about their enemies. First, they were talking about the surprise they are going to get from the Raja. Now they diverted the topic towards their enemies. That I am going to break Somo's waist. Who said this?
Mani.
Money.
Mani.
Mani said. I know where he lives. Further, Mani says that I know where is Somu's house. So Mani's enemy was
Sumo.
Somu. So you have to remember now, in the story, you have to remember that Somu is Mani's enemy. He lives in the Kabir street behind the market. So this is what the area would be over there where they are living in that town. He said that he lives behind the Kabir street. Sorry, he lives in the Kabir street. Name of the street, like here is this is Shishuya street. So there might be the Kabir street behind the market. What is market, girls? Market means what? Share market? No. Which market? Have you seen Tirchalla and Haluria, all these
Yes.
here?
Yes.
This is a
Yes.
marketplace, right? Where you get a whole
Yes.
lot of clothes and vegetables and household stuff. Yes, where you girls go
Yes.
with your purse like this, empty purse, where
No.
you don't have money and you go for the style.
No.
Girls have this habit,
No.
of carrying such a big purse of their size.
No.
No.
And see, girls, notice one thing. You and your friend, if you purchase a new purse, and if no one speaks about that purse, You show them the purse. Either you show like this, or if they don't still speak anything, what you do? Oh, so much sun here, sun's heat over there. This way you show your purse to them. I know girls have this habit.
No. No.
No.
Yes. Oh, so much of sunlight. This way you show your purse. That
No.
oh, beautiful the purse is. Yes.
No.
And still, if they don't notice, no, what you do? See, say for an example, this is your purse. You are holding like this. You beat them. Oh, idiot! This way you beat them with your purse, and then you do. Oh, so much sun's heat is there. This
So
way you.
means
No.
you are doing with book and that would be purse. So we
Yes. So you
can't
do with
do.
purse. No, no, you do. You do.
No.
You put purse like this, and oh, so much sunlight is there. We are feeling so much hot.
Anything. Anything.
Girls have the habit of showing off.
No.
See, if you are wearing new rings or new nail polish, then, oh, I ate five chapatis today. This way you show your rings to your friends. I know.
No.
No.
So, Somu lives in the Kabir street behind the market. So, we were on market, sorry. So now here Mani says that his enemy Somu lives where? In which street?
B Street.
It is Kabir
Kabir
Street.
Street.
Okay. Behind the
Market. Market.
oh, who was speaking with the robotic voice? Market. I have often seen him coming out at nights to a shop in the market for the betel leaves. What do you mean by betel leaves? It is a kind of what to say in the easy language ingredient which you use in a cooking. So here now Mani says that I also know at what time he comes out of his house in the market to buy some stuff. So students, you totally know everything about two persons I should say, or two people. Either one is your friend or one is your enemy. You know every single detail about them. Okay. So likewise, Mani also knew everything when Somu comes out, when he goes in, when he goes to school, and many more things. I shall first fling a stone at the municipal lamp and put it out. You have no idea how dark Kabir Street is. Now Mani is making the plan how he will beat his enemy. You people also make the plan. Let the recess happen. Let teacher go out of the class and you just see. Yeah, this way you make the plan. So same way, Mani says that first I will break the lamp. Lamp means which lamp? Not this lamp which is falling on me. Which lamp he is talking about?
Municipal lamp.
What do you mean by municipal lamp? Girls on the street, we have
Circle
seen
lamp.
night lamp, we have seen lamp in our house. What do you mean by municipal lamp?
Street lights.
Street lights, exactly. The street lights which are there on both the sides of the street. So mine says that first I will throw the stone and break the street light. How horrible. And then he says that it is very dark on the Kabir street. That means already, even if the lamp is there is not much light. So he says that whatever the source of light is there, that street light, he will break that and he will make the street fully dark. I shall wait with my club, and as soon as he appears, he will sprawl in the dust with broken bones. Swaminathan shuddered at the thought. And that is not all, said Mani. I am going to get that pea under my heel and press him to the earth. Okay, so now I don't know what I don't know what Somu has done to Mani so much that Mani is so much aggressive and angry. Mani says that I will stand near the club. I will wait with my club, and as soon as he appears. Now, what do you mean by appear? Girls, Rabia, don't answer. Other girls, what do you mean by appears? Come on, girls.
As he comes.
What? What? Someone spoke something. Come on, 3 to 4.
As he comes.
As he comes from where? From where Somu will come? Girls. Horrible this class is. My boys class is very better. So anyway, if you do not want to answer, I don't want to explain you much more. So here it is written that as the Somu comes out from his house, now Mani says that I am going to really beat him and he will just sleep on the ground. That means here it is very clearly written that he will sprawl in the dust with a broken bones. So he will just move here and there on the ground. He will sleep and his bones will be broken. So badly he is planning to beat Somu. Not only about Somu, further he says about P. Now P, P is also enemy of money. Remember Somu, now P. Both are the enemy of money. So he says that I am even going to beat P. He will just beat the P and he will put the legs on the P's face and then he will rub his heels on his face. This is what the scene you can see in even the Bollywood movies. Okay. And Shankar is going to hang by this tuft over Sarayu from a people branch. They stopped talking when they reached Rajan's house. Now they are even talking about the third character. What is the name of the third character? Who was the enemy?
Shankar.
Shankar.
Okay, okay. So how many enemies are there in all?
3.
2.
Name them.
Somu, P, and Shankar.
See, Rabia always remembers the name of enemy. Yes. So
I
now,
also remember everything other things that you asked. All the
okay,
other things that you asked.
okay. So now they are talking about Shankar. So they will neither leave P, they will nor leave Somu. Somu was the first attack, and then Shankar. Actually, it is not Shankar, it is Sankar. H is not written. So we have to sound like a villager here.
Shankar.
Sankar, like Rabia always does.
No,
Yeah.
no,
Now laugh. Now laugh.
no,
So they are
no.
students. Anyone's cow is there on the road. So here they are planning to hang the Shankar on some tree. How will they do that? And this way they will throw Shankar. Is it possible?
No.
Okay. No. Every time no.
I am saying
So
no, not na.
okay. So students, who will repeat the three names of the enemies? Ilma.
Sir, yes, sir.
Who were the three enemies of Mani and Swaminathan? Who were the three enemies of Swaminathan and Mani? Just write
Shankar.
20 times. Okay, Shankar. Then, okay, no problem. One name you came to know. So, two names you will write 20 times. P and Somu. So, P, Somu,
P
and Shankar. These were the three enemies. Now, write this
P
name
and
20 times. Now, no scope. Write them 20 times. They
okay, sir.
stopped talking when they reached Rajam's house. So as soon as they both reached to the Rajam's house gate, big gate, they stopped talking to each other. The gate was bolted and they got up the wall and jumped in. So this is what usually Rabia does, that when you reach someone's
No,
house,
I don't.
you fling on
I
the other
don't.
side, you jump on the other side of the border of the wall. So because the door was bolted means what? Locked. The door was locked. The main gate of the house, the big gate, was locked. So they saw that no one is there inside and the gate is locked. How to get inside? So they jumped towards the other side of the wall, towards the border of the house, not of India and Pakistan. A servant came running towards them. He asked, "Why did you climb the wall?" Now, as soon as they jumped on the other side like this, immediately servant came from the house. "Hey, why you both boys are here? Why did you jump towards this side of the wall? You should know that here the lock is there. You should not come inside," and blah blah blah. Okay, so this is what happened. Now let me ask few questions. Rabia, call out the name one by one. And now, really, Rabia, those who are not able to answer, write their name. From the next lecture, they will not be there in my lecture.
Okay, sir.
And 0 marks for the internal. And today is full and final.
Now should I speak the name?
Yeah.
Emdani Ayman.
Only call two names. And then write the name. We will call their parents today by itself and we'll tell them they will not able to answer.
She left.
Very good. Write her name.
Okay.
And then call out next name.
Yes. Mm,
Because then parents come in the parents teacher meeting and they complain that my student chance is not coming. So I said I'm calling out each and everyone's name, especially in my lecture, two times at least. So we
yes.
should have the proof. Yeah, next name.
So next name Kanani Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which are the three friends here in the story? I will ask the question two times and then I will write your name in not answering students and then don't join the lecture. So which are the three friends in the starting of the story? The names are there.
Swaminathan, Mani, and
Very
Rajam.
good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Mute your mic. Next name, Rabia.
Yes. Sir. June Jaleba.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your question is who are the three enemies of Swaminathan and Mani? Or I can ask that with whom Mani wants to fight. I repeat, with whom Mani wants to fight. If you do not know, we will write your name.
Alex,
That you are not paying attention to the lecture.
Surya,
No. So write 20 times, 20 times write the name PEA, P SANKAR Shankar and SOMU Somu. These are the three boys with whom Mani wanted to fight. Write it 20 times right now and write her name, Ravya, because we need to call the
Yes, sir.
parents of the written name. Yeah, next name. If you do not pay attention in the lecture, I don't care. Yeah.
Aisha Lohia.
Yes, sir.
Where was Somu living? On which street?
Kabir Street behind the market.
Great, excellent. Mute your mic. Okay, that's it for today's question answers. Let me see what is the time. Time is 8:41. Okay, now one more. So call out one more name.
Yes, sir. Mm. Meghani Amrin Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Megan Emily Fatima, mm, can you tell me why were Swaminathan and Mani going to Rajam's house?
Because Rajam has called her two friends that come at this time in afternoon, and I will give you both a surprise.
Great stuff. Okay, done. So that is it for today. So your homework is, please make sure your homework is you have to read the lesson till here at least two times. All the girls say yes sir and your name if you understood so I can again see the recording that you agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I will
sir.
read it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So girls, just one more question. Do you want me to explain full lesson or shall I stop the explanation? What do you want? I'm asking all the girls.
Full lesson.
Full lesson.
Full lesson.
Lesson.
Full lesson. Full
So
lesson.
that will only be possible when you people will answer me whenever I question you. If you are not able to answer, you can request me that sir, can you please explain me that paragraph again? If this way you will say 10 times, it will be explained. If you will not answer, I am definitely going to call your parents because you are there in the group. I am calling your name out. What do you think? You will not answer and I will stand here? For that, the lecture is arranged? No. So this is going to be format. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
Have a nice
Bye, sir.